Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are here to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to SG Academy and tell anyone preparing for GCSE chemistry that you know to please subscribe to this channel, like, share and click on the notification bell so that when I drop questions, we will be able to solve and look at it together. So in this video, we will be solving the 2025 AQA GCE chemistry past paper questions. So we go straight to question 1. The first question says that this question is about elements in the periodic table. Describe where the non-metallic elements are found in the periodic table. The answer is the non-metallic elements are found to the right of the periodic table in group 14 to 18. Now, let me quickly explain this. In the periodic table, we have the metals and we have the non-metals. The metals are found on the left-hand side of the periodic table, while the non-metals are found on the right-hand side of the periodic table, right side of the periodic table. Please do well to know that effectively because it is definitely going to help you in the exam. The next question, gallium is a metallic element in group 3. Which of these properties of gallium is not typical of most metals? Since gallium is a metal, the first thing is that gallium is a metal. So since it is a metal, it must definitely have a boiling point above 1000 degrees Celsius. So this is a typical property. Metals conduct electricity in solid states. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. That's one of the functions of metals. And metals form positive ions. That's why you can have Ga3+, Na+. These are functionalities of metals. So the answer is that metals, the answer is a melting point below 100 degrees Celsius. That is not typical of most metals. We move to the next question, which is 1.3. I need to say this. Mendeleev is the first scientist to ever propose on the periodic table. So we have the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev arranged elements in order of atomic weight. Notice why the modern periodic table arranged elements according to atomic number. So atomic number is for the modern periodic table. While atomic weight is for Mendeleev. So why did Mendeleev not place sterilium and iodine in order of atomic weight? It is because iodine has a lower atomic weight than sterilium. Why? In the Mendeleev periodic table, we weigh them with the concept of atomic weight. So iodine has a lower atomic weight than sterilium. So it was not compared in order of the atomic number. The next question, argon is an element in group 0 of the periodic table. Explain why argon is unreactive. Group 0 or 18 are known as the noble, inert, or rare gases. Either one is correct. They are known as noble, inert, or rare gases. So why are they unreactive? It's because they have a completely filled outer shell of electrons. It's either they have 2 or 8 electrons. Example of 2 electrons is helium, while neon and argon has 8 electrons. So the reason why they are unreactive is because they have a full outer shell of electrons and they do not form ions. Because of what? They have full outer shell of electrons. The next question is isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are elements with the same atomic number but different mass number. In other words, you can say they have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Let me explain the concept of isotopes. We have hydrogen, for example, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, and 3 hydrogen. So we can see that the lower one is always the number of protons. They are the same. This is the number of protons. So for this, 1 minus 1 is 0. So for this, the neutron is 0 here. 2 minus 1 gives us 1 neutron. So the neutron is 1 here. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So the neutron is 2 here. So we can see that they have different number of neutrons, but the atomic number is the same. Mass, this is the upper one, which is mass number, and the lower one is often the atomic number. So in the next video, we'll be considering question 2. We'll be explaining the concepts of bonding, ions, and how metal conduct electricity. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell. This is the 2025 AQA GCSE Chemistry Past Paper. See you in the next one. Thank you.